Welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video we will learn about this Copilot finance agent. So as you can see from the screen, so this is the agent which Microsoft have released in a preview mode recently, and what basically this agent is, as the name suggests, that it is made for the finance professionals productivity gains in the Outlook and Excel, which means that this agent will be available for use only in the Outlook and Excel. So here in these two paragraphs, Microsoft have mentioned that in the Outlook, it basically helps in supporting the collection process. Collection process means that related to the customers, like when we receive the payments from the customers based on the invoices in our ERP, and users can connect to their ERP directly from the Outlook, which means that this agent will allow to connect your ERP, which could be 365 Finance or SAP or Business Central in our case, right? And it can help in crafting the email responses and saving the communication summaries, like this stuff. And in Excel, it went one step further, which helps in financial reconciliation, which is a very big process when it comes to or work, I could say, in the finance department. And this agent will help in automated reconciliation report creations and automatically generated insights and suggestions for possible ways to address discrepancies, right? So let's see like how basically we can use this. So what I'm thinking is that I will make two parts of this concept. In the first part, which is today's video, I will be telling you that how we can install or deploy this agent in the Outlook and Excel, and in the second part we will see the use case of it. So let's see the step one. The step one is that you must own the Power Apps Dataverse environment. If you don't have any Power App environment which is in which the Dataverse is enabled, then you cannot use this functionality, use this agent. So you have to create one environment with the Dataverse capability first, and then only you can go for the second step, right? How to create a Dataverse environment with the in the Power App, then I have made a video in the past. You can have a look over it. So what we can do is that once you have this environment, click on the settings icon and click on this admin center. Once you open this admin center, you have to select your environment under this environment section, and then go to this Dynamics 365 apps. So once you open this, here you will be seeing the list of apps which are already installed in your environment. What app we have to install now is this app called Finance Agent. It is already installed for me. In your case, you have to click on this button called Install App and search for the Finance Agent app. Select the app and click on next, install, like that stuff. Okay, so once you do that, under 5 to 10 minutes, this app will be installed in this particular section. Okay, so after this app gets installed, second thing is that you have to again go to the settings portion of your environment, and for users we have to set the permissions, right? So the permissions, following permissions, you can see that Copilot for Finance Administrator, Copilot for Finance AR Manager, Collection Coordinator, and Finance Professional, right? Based on your permissions which you want to give to the user, you can select the same. Okay, so once this is done, then your Power App configuration part is done. Okay, then the thing is that this table, under this table section, will start visible in your Power App. And as you can see in this table, following columns are there: name, company ID, company name, environment. So this we have to fill, and from where we will get the data for these columns is our Business Central, right? So in our Business Central, we know that we can get the details of the environment, what type of environment it is, what is the name of the environment, what is the name of the company, what is the ID of the company. So all these details we have to fetch and then add it up here, right? So when we import the data or when we create those data into this table, then only the finance agent will be able to capture the details from here and allow you to do the integration with the business central or get connection. Okay, so this is whole about the Power App. Now the second step is that if you want to install the finance agent at the organization level, okay, not at the user level, at the organization level, then you can go to the 365 admin center and under this settings section go to the integrated apps, and here you have to click on this button called get apps. So into this section you have to, it will open the app source, and here you have to find the app and then you have to click on this get it now button, and that's how it will install the app. I have already installed these two apps, Finance Agent in 365 Excel, Finance Agent in 365 Outlook. Okay, so that's why I'm not doing it again, but in your case you have to do it, or only administrator can do the same. And second thing is that once you are able to install this app in the admin center, then somewhere around minimum 6 to 7 hours later only you will be able to see the add-ins in the Outlook and Excel. Before that, these apps will not be available for your Outlook and Excel. So this is a step 2, or you can say the final step for the deployment of this app. Okay, in case you want to go with the business user, like business user wants to install this app on their own, in either in the Outlook or either in the Excel, then they can like for example, I can open this Outlook section, and here you can see that I have opened one sample email in which I'm treating myself as a customer and I'm sending mail to myself, but you can assume that you will be sending, customer will be sending an email to you, or they want to purchase certain items. Then this is something related, looks like a proper business email you're getting from the customer. Then it must be connected or taken into account with your ERP customer as well. Okay, so for that, after the app gets installed, you will find your app under this section. Okay, you can click on this button or you can click on this button here as well. So you can see that this app is available for me, but in your case, if it is not available, then you have to click on add apps, and from here you can search this app and then click on now, get now, and same stuff. Okay, so that's a whole thing, like the app will get installed and you can click on it, you can click on it, and now this agent will be available for you. But since this is the first time, so you will be greeted with this option. First option is saying that connect with your ERP. Click on it, you will see the options currently through like the ERPs with which we can connect our agent. In our case, we will select this, and you can see currently it is looking for the environment, but where it is looking, you can see that no environments available. This basically is showing up because I have not provided the detail in my Dataverse table. Once I provide the details of my business central environments, my companies into my Dataverse table, then only it will show those environment detail and I can connect to it. Otherwise, it will not show. If I want to use it for demo mode, I can do the same, click on this, and it will just give you an idea, like a look and feel of how we can use this. But don't worry, we will try to see it in the next part. Okay, so this is whole about Outlook. And in the Excel, same stuff, like you can go to the home and you can basically, if you don't want to go through the, although this app will get available after 6-7 hours if you're doing it at the organization level. If in case you are doing it at a business user level, then you can click on add-ins and then you can search your app here, and then you can, or you can click on more add-ins, and then you will select your, type your app name and then click on add, and so that's how it will get added. Okay, so now this app is showing up for me. I can click on it, and now you can see it's a little bit look and feel is different than the Outlook, because Outlook work is different and Excel work is different. It is whole soul related to the reconciliation process, so we have to like if I want to do the reconciliation, I can do the same and stuff like this, which obviously I will show you, as I said, again in the next part. So this is how we can do the deployment of finance agent add-in or app through Power App configuration, through software level, or through like organization level. Okay, so that's it in the today's video. I hope you like it. In case you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.